it's Jen. We're touring my room. We've been out at Hollywood Studios. I am a hot mess. It was very humid. It wasn't that warm, but the humidity was killer today. So I'm gonna show you around the rest of the room. Okay guys, we are in room 353. This is a boardwalk garden view studio. So the first thing when you walk in, I love that you have the hardwood floors. And there's a mirror here. If you had a stroller, if you wanted to put your suitcases there, you've got a nice big open space, which is nice. You walk in and you've got your kitchenette, and this is really standard. Let's see if they have, looks like we've got paper towels and plastic cutlery right here, so you guys can see. Also, you've got a can opener and a wine opener. And then up here, you've got regular mugs. And you know what? I'm bummed out because it looks like they don't have, they've had the portable coffee cups everywhere we've stayed the last couple times. Hey, it's me. So underneath the sink, you have regular trash, you have recycling, you have paper towels. Here is the coffee pot, basket filter, and it's a 12-cup coffee pot and a toaster. And then you've got a decent sized fridge right here, and it does have a small freezer compartment. And over here we have the beautiful bathroom. Hey guys, really pretty mirror, vanity. You've got your H2O body lotion and soap. Under the sink, again, you've got another trash can and a good amount of storage in here, extra toilet tissue and Kleenex. There's your hair dryer in the drawer. Decent sized closet here. This is where we stayed for marathon weekend as well. There's your bedding for your 2 beds that are in here. And I'm gonna show you those in just a minute. A lit makeup mirror, which I really like. They've been putting these in all of the resorts and I just love that. And then you've got just a regular standard bathroom. They do have this curved bar, which I like because it makes you feel like you have a little bit more space. Regular standard tub and all of your regular toiletries. They don't have the ones bolted to the wall in here. So, and then this opens up into your bedroom. You've got a nice dresser here with 1, 2, 3, 4 really decent sized drawers. They're not very deep, but there are a lot of them. Or I guess they're not deep this way. They're pretty deep this way. And then you've got this nice tabletop so you can store stuff up there. This actually turns into a twin size bed. And in a minute, I'll unfold it and show you. This bends down and this whole piece turns out into a twin bed. So that's really nice. There's your massive television. Tons of USBs and wall outlets right here. And then you have more by the bed. So really nice queen size bed. We have a note from the boardwalk telling us to have a good time. Got a light over the bed. You've got USB ports and outlets in the bedside table. Huge mirror. Hi. And this hide-a-bed is where Jack will sleep. I think he's trying to figure out if he's gonna sleep there or if he'll sleep in the twin. That actually looks pretty long, so that might be comfortable. And then, holy cow, what in the world is this? I don't know what is going on, but this is the biggest deck. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the biggest deck I have ever, I'm calling it a deck. I can't even show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna stand over here so I can show you guys how big this is. Holy nut butters. And really, so this is a garden view room, but really, this is close to being a boardwalk view because we're gonna have really pretty lights from the boardwalk tonight and we'll be able to see over to the yacht club. Can you guys, okay, I'm gonna walk from here to the corner of this balcony. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You could have, like, I swear to God, I don't know what to say. You could have a cocktail party out here. Like, you could have chairs set up, and you could have 15 or 20 of your best friends over to have a party with you. I'm gobbersmacked. I have never ever seen a balcony like this in a Disney hotel room. So again, this is room 3053. If you want the largest balcony in all of Disney, this is the room you're gonna want. Beautiful view, and it is a garden view room, and it overlooks the grass. So pretty. And if you're concerned about noise, we have stayed in these rooms before, and we've honestly never had a problem. Things quiet down fairly early, and the door is pretty soundproof, so it's really not a problem. Absolutely gorgeous room.
Shirts outside.
I'm going to go call 20 of my friends and see if they want to come over and stand on my balcony. I'm just kidding. Have a great day.